ng mga ganda ko. Yan. Okay, ready yan. Okay, kamusta po? Okay, ready. Eyes on the camera. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, next, wacky shot. Okay, 3, 2, and 1, wacky. Okay, dahil meron na tayong 14 players, kailangan mahati tayo sa dalawang grupo. Each group ay meron 7 players. Okay, the vote is again. Group yourself into 7. Okay, sobra po ng isa. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, dahil meron na tayong dalawang grupo na meron 57 miyembro, ngayon ang bibigyan namin kayo ng 3 segundo para makapag-isip ng group name. Okay, mas sulit ay mas magandang group name ang ibibigay nyo sa amin. Kailangan yung pinag-isipan. Okay, ready? Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, clear si Jay?
Yes, kaya naman syempre, pamumunahan ko na to sa team na
Pita-pita!
Team ng Bida-Bida! Alright! At syempre, kung may team ng Bida-Bida, hindi mapapatalo ang team na Angel! Okay, dahil one line na lang tayo sa team ng Bida-Bida. Ayan, pina na lang po tayo one line. Pero syempre, kailangan yung nasa unahan yung pinaka-Bida-Bida.
Yan, si Dana na yan.
Alright, dahil na yung one line nila sa team ng mga Angel. Okay, one line na lang po tayo dito. Okay, dahil dyan, forward na po kay ma'am. Team ng Bida-Bida, sige ma'am, forward na po kay ma'am. Okay, forward na po si ma'am. Ayan, forward pa po kay ma'am. Para hindi kayo magsisikan dyan sa may dulo. Alright, forward po kay ma'am. Sige ma'am, kahit hanggang dito. And si ma'am, okay, forward po kay ma'am. Ayan, and sige ma'am, forward po kayo. And sila sir, forward po kayo para makapasok yung last player. Alright, thank you so much. Dahil ang ating next activity ay tatawagin natin Shoot That Ball, na syempre ipapakita ko sa atin ni Kuya CJ and ni Ate Queen. Okay, si Kuya CJ and Ate Queen ay merong hawak na dalawang balon na kapag narinig nyo na sinabi ko na dribble. Ganito lang po yung gagawin sa mga lobo. Each of you have a designated number kagaya ni Mama and ni Mama number 1. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6 is last is number 7. Okay, once again, kapag narinig nyo na sinabi ko na dribble. Pass number 2. Ipapasa lang po natin yung balon sa kanilang respective numbers. Okay, ready? Dribble. Pass number 3. Pass number 4. Pass number 5. Pass number 6. Pass number 7. Dribble. Pass number 5. Pass number 3. Pass number 1. Dribble. At kapag may narinig kayo na sinabi namin na shoot that ball, ito yung signal para magpaunahan kayo sa merapan upang putukin yung lobo. Pero kailangan uupuan natin yung balon at hindi po natin kukurutin. Dahil kapag nakurot nyo yung balon, mapupunta yung point sa kabilang grupo kayo naman. Sampulan natin. Dribble. Pass number 3. Pass number 5. Pass number 3. Dribble. Pass number 4. Pass number 7. Pass number 5. Dribble. And last, pass number 1 and shoot that ball. Pero sample pa lang yan, Ma'am Ivana. Sample pa lang yan. Kaya naman, mukhang alam niyo na kung paano na ang ating shoot that ball. Okay, sideboard muna tayo team ng mga Bida-Bida. Alright, magsisimula na tayo ng count of 3, 2, and 1, go! Dribble. Pass number 3. Pass number 2. Pass number 4. Dribble. Pass number 5. Pass number 7. Pass number 6. Dribble. Pass number 3. Pass number 1. Pass number 4. Dribble. Pass number 4. And last, pass number 2 and shoot that ball! Meron na! 1 point sa team ng Angel. Wow! Okay, meron 1 point sa 0 points. Okay, ready? Okay, dribble. Pass number 3. Pass number 4. Pass number 5. Dribble. Pass number 7. Pass number
dribble, and last, pass number 1, and shoot that ball! Wow! Okay dahil dyan, mapupunta yung puntos sa kabilang grupo. Kailangan po, upuan. Yan. Okay, meron ang sig-all. 1 point. So, okay, ready? Okay, dribble, pass number 2, pass number 4, pass number 6, dribble, pass number 7, pass number 5, pass number 3, dribble, pass number 2, pass number 1, pass number 4, dribble, and last, pass number 7, and wala pa. Dribble, pass number 3, pass number 1, and last, pass number 6, and wala pa. Dribble, pass number 4, pass number 5, shoot that ball! Meron na! 2 points and 1 point! Yan! Okay, ready? Dribble, pass number 3, pass number 2, pass number 4, dribble, pass number 7, pass number 5, pass number 6, dribble, pass number 2, pass number 1, pass number 5, dribble, pass number 3, and last, pass number 2, and dribble, pass number 4, and shoot that ball! Wow! Okay, meron na! 3 points and 1 point. So, okay, si Madam, palit po kayo. Yan, si Madam po ang magiging number 1 at si Madam ang magiging number 2. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Dribble, pass number 3, pass number 2, pass number 4, dribble, pass number 5, pass number 6, pass number 7, dribble, pass number 4, pass number 1, and last, pass number 6, and shoot that ball! Yan! Yan! Grabe si Sir! Hindi pinagbigyan namin ng birthday celebra. Maganda kayo na 4 points and 1 point. Sabay tayo team ng bida-bida. Okay, ready? Dribble, pass number 3, pass number 2, pass number 4, dribble, pass number 5, pass number 6, pass number 4, dribble, pass number 3, pass number 1, and last, pass number 7, and shoot that ball! Wow! Ayaw talaga. Okay, maraming salamat. Okay, para sa atin. Okay, last balloon. Okay, pasina ko ng mga next balloon natin. Okay, yung kulay dilaw. Yan. Okay, mga kulay dilaw na logo. Yan, okay, dahil dyan, yung mga ginawa niyo po kanina, warm up pa lang yun. Dahil, ang last na mananalo ay nakasalalay sa last na logo. Dahil ang last na logo, merong 10 points. Okay, dahil dyan, yung ginawa niyo kanina, warm up pa lang yun. Okay, dahil dyan. Okay, para sa ating last balloon na merong 10 points. Akin na po yun, madam. Akin na rin po yun, madam. Pakilabas na ang ating mga last balloon na merong 10 points. Yan. Yan, aking ang last balloon ay merong 10 points. Okay, ready? Once again, dyan nakasalalay kung sino ang mananalo sa atin. Okay, shoot that ball. Okay, ang rules, pwede sa upuan, pwede sa may lapag. As long na kailangan maputukan natin ito. Okay, ready? Okay, dribble, pass number 3, pass number 4, pass number 5, dribble, pass number 7, pass number 6, pass number 5, pass number 4, dribble, pass number 3, pass number 2, and last, pass number 1, and dribble, wala pa. Wala pa talaga si Madam. Dribble, pass number 2, pass number 4, pass number 7, dribble, pass number 6, and last, pass number 1, and shoot that ball! Ibana versus Ibana! Wow! Nanalo ba ang team ng Angel? Wow! May sinasabi si Mama Ganuge kasi may panusok. May panusok. May panusok. mga nanalo.